Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Mama G, and today's video guys I will show you another hairstyle, which is the fishtail braid. So it's very easy to make and it's very beautiful like you. So yeah, let's start. So you can do this guys, you can put in the side, or you can put behind, or you can put like this, but I will just show you guys on how to make it. Okay, so first thing we need to do is I need to tie my hair. Okay. So it's not moving, it's easy to make if you tie like this. Okay. Oh, I love my long hair. Okay, so next guys, what we need to do is, you just need to, so next you just divide by 2. Okay, so next we need to take a little hair and we will pass to the other hair. Okay, so it's together, and now it's your turn. You have to keep a little hair on the other side. Okay, you will take this hair. Okay, did you get it? One more. Take a little hair and you will pass to the other side. Okay, and another behind. You will pass this to another side. Okay, so just like that. So keep going guys, same process. You just have to take a little hair so it will be good, so the final will be beautiful. Okay, so I will keep going. So it's very easy to make, and of course we can put some accessories. So now I will be using this one because this one is very nice. Okay. So it's very nice guys, as you can see. Okay, next we will cut this rubber guys. Okay. It hurts me. The elastic hurts me. So next we can do, you know, like a little bit bigger. See that? Wow. So nice. So guys, I take out the two, okay, because my braid will be look more beautiful with this. Okay, so I'll just put like this, guys. Okay, just like that. I love hair accessories. It's really make my hair more beautiful. So yes guys, this is the fishtail braid. Look at this. I'm so in love with this hairstyle. So yes guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to put like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more hairstyle videos. And thank you guys for watching. See you again in my next vlog. Bye!